Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we uncover stocks with explosive potential. I'm Mitchell, and today we're diving into Radiopharm Theranostics, ticker RADX, a clinical stage biotech pioneering radiopharmaceutical therapies for hard to treat cancers, including brain metastases. Breaking news this December 15th, Radiopharm announced stellar interim Phase 2b results for RAD 101, achieving the primary endpoint 92% of patients. That's 11 out of 12, showing strong imaging concordance. This validates their platform targeting brain tumors non invasively. The market erupted. Shares rocketed over 200% intraday, hitting highs above $16 in massive volume from a prior close around $4 to $5. Analysts maintain a strong buy with targets up to $18, implying further upside. In a hot radiopharma sector, RADX is turning heads with this milestone. Buy the momentum, hold, or wait for pullback? Comment your thoughts below. Like for more biotech breakdowns, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. And we'll see you in the next one.